So we're taking a little road trip, going out here to see the Jurassic National Monument in Cleveland, Utah, just right outside of Huntington, Utah, where we're stayed at the Buckhorn RV Park. How long have you guys been out here like this?
How long have you been here?
Yeah.
Well, the first digs took place in the early 1920s.
So, this is part 2 of our Buckhorn series here in Utah. In this video, we're going to the Huntington State Park. I'm going to show you a little bit of that, and we're going to go to the Jurassic Monument. What was it?
Jurassic National Monument.
Jurassic National Monument. I can't even say it.
Jurassic National Monument.
Jurassic National. I just do the driving and the filming. Terry tells me where to go. So, anyway, check it out. Pretty cool places. We liked it. Hopefully you will too. Is that all it is right there? Let's turn around a minute.
Pretty cool. I guess they can just come down there and sit on the bank. They got a dock down there and everything. It does, yeah. It's pretty though.
Yeah.
Look at how they got the docks out there. They can swim out to the docks and yeah. Well, there must be a boat ramp somewhere because there's boats in there. So we're taking a little road trip, going out here to see the Jurassic National Monument in Cleveland, Utah, just right outside of Huntington, Utah, where we're stayed at the Buckhorn RV Park. It's about 11 miles off the paved road, so we're driving back here on dirt roads. So we do have a Jeep, so we're going exploring. We'll see you when we get there.
Yep.
So here we are, we made it back here, entering Jurassic National Monument. Fee area. Collections of any kind are prohibited.
Oh, I've got some. Take that one here.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
There we go. All right, so here we are. We're gonna go inside real quick. Can't stay too long because we got the girls in the Jeep.
Now, did you come in from Wellington or from Cleveland?
Huntington.
Cleveland.
Oh yeah, into Cleveland,
And
yeah.
that was only 13 miles on dirt roads. If you came in from, I'm sorry, Wellington,
Yeah, I didn't realize it was so far back here. I'm like, oh goodness.
How long have you guys been out here like this?
How long have you been here?
Yeah.
Well, the first digs took place in the early 1920s.
Oh wow.
Wow. In the 20s.
And we were made into a national landmark in the late 60s. And that was at the time that this building was dedicated.
Wow.
And then we were recently made into a national monument in 2019.
In 2019. Oh yeah. So, wow. So these are all what they dug up, huh?
Yes.
Wow. That's pretty amazing.
This is the largest concentration of Jurassic dinosaur bones that the world has ever seen. Here, take a look at a rib. And this is a tooth of a dinosaur in this part right there. And here's a clavicle or shoulder blade to an dinosaur as well. Now look at that beautiful manganese black. They stick out in such strong contrast to the surrounding rocks. We're pretty sure that the Native Americans were well aware of this bone. As were the cowboys. We're crazy here.
Look at Billy, got her nose sticking out there. Since 1920 they started this. A little drone footage. What you doing, Miss Belle? Huh? What you doing, pretty girl? What you doing? You get you some water?
golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.